Hey everybody, Motor Blueprint Guy here. I have something different I haven't done before, and I'm hoping you like it. But I like watching unboxing videos on YouTube. Yep, admit it. So I have an unboxing video here for you. I have just recently purchased a TEC Bike Parts skid plate. And there's a lot out there. Let's talk about skid plates just for a few seconds. There's a lot of them out there. T-Rex has one. There's a company, TEC has one. All relatively in the same price range. I just like the TEC Bike Parts one. The way it looks better on bikes. I've researched it for a while, and I like the way it looks better. There's some cheaper ones out there. eBay has some cheaper ones out there, like for $60. The TEC Bike Parts one I got for $115 shipped to my door. The T-Rex one is like $105, and the TEC one is probably the most expensive one that I've found, and that's about $150 shipped to your door. The TEC one, that is the one you've probably researched this if you're in the market, but the TEC one is the one that actually goes up and covers or goes around your radiator hose. So some of you may like that. The one I got is strictly a bash plate, a skid plate, whatever you want to call it, that protects the bottom of the engine, and it does not extend up to the radiator. So while I'm on the subject of TEC Bike Parts, allow me to do just a quick rant, okay? Without alienating any TEC Bike Parts fan, which I am. I'm a fan of theirs because I have purchased from them an exhaust from my 2017 Street Cup. I have purchased the paddock stand bobbins. I have purchased some piggyback remote reservoir shocks for my wife's Street Twin, and now the bash plate, skid plate. So I'm a fan of theirs. I like their product. I think for what you get, for what you pay for, I think the product is good. There's a lot of misconception, but there's a lot of issues, I think, with their shocks as far as people are concerned. Some people, I don't know if it's real or just a perceived issue with their shocks breaking. I know I've seen pictures or a picture, excuse me, of a broken TEC Bike Part shock, and I think anything can be broken with enough force. So and I don't know if those were installed properly, not installed properly. Who knows what that person was doing when they broke that? But I have them on, like I said, my wife's Street Twin. I put them on. I have a video on that, and I haven't seen any problem with it. I've ridden that bike many times, and I like the shock, to be honest with you. But allow me to rant for 2 seconds, and then I'll open this up. TEC Bike Parts. The only issue I have with them is their customer service, honestly. So if you guys are from TEC Bike Parts, customers like me who've spent, I don't know where I'm at, probably upwards of $700 worth of product from you, answer emails. I know you guys are busy. I know you guys were off for a long time because of COVID. But I have sent 2 emails regarding mufflers or an exhaust for my T120, and I've never gotten an answer back. The only time that I've ever gotten an answer back from TEC Bike Parts customer service was from the UK TEC Bike Parts. Someone that works with George. So who's ever over here at TEC Bike Parts USA, not to throw anyone under the bus, but come on now. I've spent a lot of money there, and I know a lot of other people have too, probably. Customer service. I'm looking for an exhaust, TEC Bike Parts exhaust for my T120. And I don't want the 2-into-1 Rebel. I want slip-ons, and I want them black, and you know, I want what I want. I know you guys don't have them, but I'm hoping that you guys are in development. If not, just send me an email saying, nope, we're never going to develop those. Buy them from Gasser Customs or, you know, Cone Engineering or wherever else you're going to get them from. Okay, so that's my rant. I'm done with that. All right, let's get into this box. I took out the bill of lading because it has my address on it. I like you guys, but I don't want you at my house. Alright. Alright, inside the box. This is how it's going to come shipped to you. Obviously, I have not opened this yet, so heavy brown paper wrapping with it's like a shiny white paper inside. Let's just pull it out. That's all that's in the box. That's what I have in my hand here. That's it. Pretty good. Look at that. Look at the wrapping here. Yeah. Pardon me for covering your camera there. TEC alloy plate, part number GRD SWBON. Yeah, Bonneville, color black, quantity 1 set. Rubber band, rubber band, and rubber band. Package is sealed. Keep that for a second because I'll probably put it back in. Mounting hardware. Phillips head screws. And that Torx? Or is that an Allen? That's an Allen. Allen and Phillips head. Interesting. I don't know why the different ones, bolts, but and then the two mounting brackets. Bubble wrap. Who doesn't like playing with bubble wrap? Everyone likes bubble wrap, man. Ooh. Here it is. The finish on it is great. I know that's going to get scuffed up. You're not going to see this anyway. It's going to be up against the engine, but the finish is really nice. The paint. I wonder if they use electrostatic paint. Probably not, but maybe. It is really smooth. I like this one because I mean it's got the this groove in the center. It's probably more aesthetic, and I'm just kidding myself. But I mean that probably does enhance the rigidity somewhat. And then the lip. This lip is crimped. You can tell it's crimped. I'm sure with a press, it was probably a press piece. This is just press piece. But that crimp also, I bet you, helps with the rigidity. Goes up underneath the bike like that. Mounting holes, 2 mounting holes, 2 more mounting holes, and then they advertise these as air holes for increased cooling or help with cooling. I don't know how much cooling that's gonna provide over over the liquid cooling, but okay, we'll go with that. I just like the way it looks. Anyway, this is why I bought this one. I bought this for the looks. I bought it because I've bought a lot of tech bike parts before, and I like it. This is really rigid. I'm sure I could bend this. Yeah, I could bend this. Obviously, I don't want to bend this, but I mean, this is really rigid. That would take some force. Can you see how thick that is? I don't know if you can. It's probably, it's close to 1/8 of an inch thick. 1/8 of an inch thick steel. Or aluminum. I doubt that's steel. That's aluminum, I'm sure. It's too light to be steel, which is great. That's what you want. I don't want a 100-pound piece of metal underneath the bike, but I do want something protecting it. So, that's it. No, nothing else, no instructions. I know there's instructional videos on YouTube from people that have done this before, and I will definitely be looking at that. And I'll do a video when I do it. I'll do a video of me doing it, so we'll have another video for that, okay? All right, great. Thanks a lot, guys. Moto Blueprint out. Moto Blueprint guy out. Take care. Have a good day.